Change the world. The world is waiting for you. Don't fear. Let's go. To walk. To see. Tomorrow's world. Praise God. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you all about column kicker, such as what is column kicker, how to place a kicker formwork at a column beginning point, and how to pour casting in a column kicker. Hope that you will be known all the things about column kicker. Let's go to our video.
Read this description very carefully and pay attention when reading. This is Bengali version of previous English description. Actually, a column kicker formwork like this. This is our whole rooftop area. Here we will make column kicker for all of column beginning point. This red sign oval shape area is our working point, and here we will made a sample of a column kicker. It's a static figure of our previous videos oval shaped areas. Now we are going to place a kicker formwork in our working point. This 2 arrow indicates column grid line. This is a static drawing of our column grid line. From now, we have to follow our column layout plan. According to our design, the center of this column is 4 inches from right inner side of wooden formwork. Check measurement very carefully. We used 24 No. wire for binding with column steel. Now we are going to place kicker formwork into the beginning point of a column initially. After a while we fixed it finally. fill, we have placed a kicker formwork in the beginning point of a column. This is our whole kicker formwork setting work on a rooftop area. Now we are going to prepare casting. We will use hand mixing procedure. Casting ratio must be M20 braid or cement. Sand and stone mixing ratio is 1.5, 3. Our final work beginning. Firstly, we pour some water into kicker area for getting wet wooden shutter and washing our casting area. Now we pour cement grout into kicker for better joint bonding with slab. Our electricity supply is off so that we can't use vibrating machine for this kicker casting. We are going to use hand casting procedure. This is our final kicker. We use vibrating system in this kicker. Following this procedure, we will make all column kicker. Firstly we mangle wire binding with column steel and then we use hammer for rest of the kicker form work open.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video.